How to fix ChatGPT network error. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can fix network error on ChatGPT, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you use ChatGPT and then you have the network error issue, it could be happening due to a couple of reasons. First of all, maybe you're opening your browser, you go to chat.openai.com and then you have such kind of issues. The first thing I wanted to check is simply your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data. If you're using cellular data, try to switch back to Wi-Fi. Now fortunately, if you are on iPhone, then you also have the ChatGPT app available. If you cannot log in from your browser, just try to log in from the application to see if that actually helps you solve your problem as well. If that doesn't help, then what you might also want to do is, depending upon which browser you use, long press on it, tap the app info option, then just go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear the cache files and also make sure to clear the data. Once you've done this, now you can just try to log into ChatGPT. Now sometimes what happens is also because the server status is full, that is why you're not being able to log in. In that case, you might just want to wait until ChatGPT gets re-enabled again. This way you can go ahead and fix ChatGPT's network error. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.